In this video, I'll show you how to animate a professional title reveal in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a smooth animation between two text layers, making your title reveal feel clean, polished, and professional. It works great for intros, title cards, branded content, and motion graphics. Let's get started. First, place your two text layers on the timeline and make sure they touch where you want the transition. Now go to the FX panel, search for Text Animator. Once you find it, drag and drop it between the two text layers. Now select the transition and open Effect Controls. Here are the most important settings. Ease in controls, how smoothly the animation starts. Increase it for smoother motion. Decrease it for a sharper start. Ease out controls, how smoothly the animation ends. Increase it for a smoother finish. Decrease it for a faster stop. Fade controls how much the text fades during the animation. Increase it for a softer fade. Decrease it for a more visible text reveal. Distribution controls the timing gap between letters or words. Increase it for more staggered animation. Decrease it for more synchronized movement. Horizontal spacing controls spacing between characters horizontally. Increase or decrease it to spread or compress the text during animation. Vertical spacing controls spacing vertically. Adjust it to create vertical separation effects. Horizontal zoom and vertical zoom control the text scaling. Increase them for stronger zoom animation. Decrease them for a subtle reveal. Angle controls the direction of the text movement. Adjust it to change the reveal direction. Perspective adds 3D depth to the text animation. Increase it for more cinematic depth. Decrease it for a flatter look. Motion blur controls how smooth the movement looks. Increase it for a more cinematic feel. Decrease it for a sharper look. Use a shorter duration for a quick modern title reveal. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic text animation. For best results, keep your text readable and avoid making the animation too fast. And that's it. That's how you create a professional title reveal in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.